The rolling without slipping. Interactive calculator determines the relationship between linear and angular motion for objects rolling without sliding. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate linear velocity from angular velocity from linear velocity, linear acceleration from angular acceleration, kinetic energy distribution, minimum friction coefficient for rolling, or acceleration on incline. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Linear Velocity from Angular Velocity. Next, choose your object shape. Options include solid cylinder with I equals 0.5 m r squared, solid sphere with I equals 0.4 m r squared, hollow cylinder with I equals Mr squared, and hollow sphere with I equals 0.67 mmr squared. For our demonstration today, I'll select the solid cylinder option. Now for our worked example, I'll enter angular velocity omega as 10 radians per second and radius r as 0.35 meters. After clicking calculate, the output shows the linear velocity of the rolling object. This value represents how fast the object's center of mass moves forward while maintaining the no-slip condition. The calculator applies the fundamental rolling constraint where linear velocity equals angular velocity times radius, ensuring accurate motion analysis for your engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.